is Amit and you're at my channel Information and Educational Video. The second shift of 29 January has been concluded now. So here I am with a complete analysis and review of the paper. As this is the tendency of NDA in previous year as well. As shift is progressing one by one, they increase a bit the difficulty level. But this year at the start they have provided a bit easy paper, that is you can say 24th and 25th. But now they have started to increase the difficulty level based on the feedback that I have got for the particularly second shift I am talking about. The paper difficulty was moderate, you can say. Some student will say moderate to difficult, but it was moderate type of paper, typical JEE Mains examination paper. But it is not easy. No one can tell this is very easy because there was some tough question, particularly from chemistry as well. Because if chemistry paper is having some difficulty, then overall difficulty level increases because everyone thinks that chemistry will be the easier. But this time there was some tricky question and very tough question, particularly from organic chemistry. So overall paper if you will talk, then all three subject combined it is moderate to difficult, but particularly in chemistry it is tricky. So important chapter again it was SPDA block of element, and from organic there was lots of question for major product, this type of question there was, and named reaction as well. So the important thing is that you need to cover the small topic as well, because there will be easy question, particularly this biomolecules and polymer, and also the periodic table, and last chapter of class 11 and 12, and solid state atomic structure. These are the chapter from where the question has been asked. The important thing is that this time they have increased the difficulty a bit. That's why I started to talk for chemistry first. Now if we talk about the physics, then again there was lots of formula based question, and most of the question were asked from a modern physics as well as semiconductor, and also there was question from alternating current as well as the gravitation chapter, kinematics there was question, and heat thermodynamics as well. So you have to keep focus on the chapter. There was a tough question from optics also. If you have covered, then it may be easy for you, but it was tough question. So the important thing is that physics was as expected, it is easy to moderate, but chemistry there was some exceptional question that makes the paper a bit tricky. And now if we talk about the mathematics, then again mathematics was difficult, not moderate, it was difficult because there was some tough question and also the paper was lengthy. If you talk about the mathematics important chapter, then again it was calculus, from where maximum number of questions were asked. From conic section there was question from a straight line, and also the easy question were from matrices, determinant, vector, 3D, binomial theorem, complex number, permutation, combination, and probability. These are the topic from where easy questions were asked. That is relatively easy, you can see. So this was the complete analysis of 29 January shift 2 paper. Hope you get this information very useful, because it will help you to prepare accordingly for the upcoming shift. And very soon I am going to provide you the marks versus percentile, because the toughness of the paper will have a major say, that is major effect on the marks versus percentile data that you will get very soon in the same channel. So please try to subscribe the channel so that you will be getting all the updated information at the right time in the same channel. Thank you.